Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be using this Dirt Devil Power Streak bagless for this litter it's in here. I know people are gonna complain because I'm using litter, but this is like a garage vacuum, so I'm just gonna use this. So I'm gonna start vacuuming here. So let me just put you guys down for a minute because I gotta unravel the cord. Okay, got this, and here we go. There's the Dirt Devil Power Streak. It smells like wet dog ever since I got it, and I do not like the smell of it, and I don't use it a lot much. So this is from 2004. So the hose on this is like taped all up, and so it won't like suck up anything, or the couches and upholstery won't like do that area. So get that back on there. Okay, let's just ravel this up. I don't know if the bin needs fill. It's getting there, so I'm gonna wait till it gets filled all the way up till I empty it, because I don't use this thing all that much. The only thing I use it for is the garage. So we wrap this up. So alright, so there's the Dirt Devil here. Well, anywho, that's all for the video. So like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great day. Bye.